A very good morning to all of you, my dear kids. I hope you all are doing well at home. In our last class, we did a simple multiplication. What is multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. Today we will move on to the next topic, that is property of multiplication. There are 5 properties of multiplication. Let us take first one. That is multiplicative property of 1. Okay, when a number is multiplied by 1, the product is number itself. That is, if we multiply any number with 1, the product remains the number itself. For example, 4156. If we multiply with 1, the answer will be 4156. Like 4156 ones are 4156. This is the multiplicative property of 1. Second one, 17 ones are how much? 17 into 1? 17 itself. 235 into 1? 235 ones are. That is also 235. So, when we multiply a number with 1, the number remains same. It doesn't change anything. Okay, next we will move to the next property. Next property is multiplicative property of 0. Okay, in the middle, multiplicative property of 1, and now the second property is multiplicative property of 0. When a number multiplied by 0, the product is always 0. If we multiply any number, if we multiply with 0, the product is 0. The answer is 0 only. For example, 47 zeros are 47 into 0, 47 zeros are 0. 369 into 0. Okay, then that is also 0. We multiply any number with 0, the product is always a 0 only. Now, third property. Now, the third property is order property of multiplication. A change in order of two numbers does not change the product of two numbers. That is, if we change the orders of the given number, then also the product of same for two numbers. Okay, for example, 76 are how much? If we multiply 17 into 6, then we get 102. 17 6 are 102. Next, I change the order. That means I transfer this 6 here and 17 here. I have changed the order. Now 6 17s are how much? That is also 102. So the change in the order of the number doesn't change the product. Okay, the product will be the same for the two numbers. For 17 into 6 is equal to 6 into 17, because both the answers are same. If we multiply, a change in the order of two numbers doesn't change the product. Okay, children, next property now. Okay, the fourth property is grouping property of multiplication. And now a change in the grouping of three numbers does not change the product. Okay, a change in the grouping of three numbers does not change the product. If there are three numbers, if we group alternatively, then the product will does not change. So let us take an example. For grouping property of multiplication, this is the example. There are given numbers are 3, 10 into 7 into 6. If we group the numbers, then also the product will be same. First I will group these two numbers, 10 into 7. How much 10 sevens are? 70. 6 is left. I multiply 6 with the 70. 76 are how much? 76 are, we will multiply 420. 76 are 420. Then I group these two numbers now. Okay, 10 into 76 are 42. That is equal to 10 42s are 420. I have changed the groups here. First I put 10 into 7. Then I left this 10 here, 20. Okay, do you understand? The change in the order of numbers in grouping property doesn't change the product. Answer will be the same. Next property is distributive property over addition. Okay, if these are the given numbers 40 plus 2 into 15. If we distribute these numbers and then we multiply, then also the product will be same. For example, we have 40 plus 2. That is 40 plus 2 is 42 into 15. Okay, 42 into 15 is how much? 630. 630. Okay, now I will distribute these numbers again. I will multiply this 40 into 15 plus 2 into 15. Then also the answer has to come change. How? 40 into 15, that is equal to 600 plus 15 twos are 30. That is equal to 630. Do you understand? By distributing the number, if we multiply this, then also the product will be same. Next one is again 40 plus 2 into 15 is equal to 40 into 15 is equal to 2 into plus 2 into 15, that is equal to 630. Okay, 40 plus 2 into 15 is equal to 40 into 15 plus 2 into 15, that is equal to, that is also 630. But if we distribute the numbers, then also the product will doesn't change. All the products will be same. If we distribute in any manner, the answer will be same. Now let us take a few examples and work on the activity. Now here is the example for properties of multiplication. Here first problem, in activity 2, first main fill in the blanks. The first problem is 185 into 1. If any number divided by 1, that is the number itself. 185. 185 ones are 185. P1. Here we have given a 270 answer. How much we have to multiply with 1 to get 270? That is 270 only, because if you multiply any number with 1, the number remains itself. Okay. Next one. 185 into 0. 185 zeros are 0. If we multiply any number with 0, then the product is also 0. 628 into 0. Then again that is also 0. Next, here, grouping. 928 into 175 is equal to how much? How much should be here? 928 into 175. We are grouping, we are arranging the order. We are changing the order. That is, if we change the order, 175 into 92. That is 928 into 175 is equal to 175 into 928. If we change the order, then also the product will remain the same. Next one. Again here. 138 into 430 into 644. Again we have changed the order here. Then what will be the answer here? That is 430. If we group the numbers and we change the order, the product will not change, the product remains same. Next, G1, distributive property. That is 427 into 25 plus is equal to 427 into 25 plus 427 into 68. Here the answer will be 68. Okay children, I have solved all sums here. Rest are there. I will send it to you in SLA. I hope all of you have understood the distributive property, grouping property, ordering property, multiplicative property of 0 and multiplicative property of 1. These are the properties of multiplication. Hope you all understood. If you have any doubt, then you can call me. Okay children, stay home, stay safe, don't go outside. Thank you.